In this video, we will compare 4 of the most advanced electric screwdrivers built for precision, power, and versatility. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional technician, finding the right tool can make all the difference. From smart motion control to adjustable torque and long battery life, let's dive into the top contenders and see which one truly earns its place on your workbench. So, let's get started. Number 4. JAKEMY 180-in-1 Black Screwdriver Set. Meet the JAKEMY 180-in-1 Black Precision Cordless Electric Screwdriver Set, a compact powerhouse for all your repair needs. Right out of the box, the design catches your eye. With its capsule-style shape, white body, and gold accents, this kit looks more like a futuristic gadget than a toolset. And it is not just good-looking. Despite containing over 160 accessories, it fits neatly into a small box just 21 centimeters long, 9 centimeters wide, and 8 centimeters high. Perfect for portability. Inside, you get a massive range of 144 magnetic CRV bits, 14 sockets, and 4 S2 bits, all treated with zinc phosphate for extra durability and rust protection. Whether you are fixing a smartphone, laptop, tablet, camera, or even a pair of glasses or furniture, this kit has the perfect bit for the job. The cordless electric screwdriver features a 3-speed adjustment and is powered by a 3.7-volt battery. You can check the battery level in real time through its detailed icon display. It turns on with any button press and shuts off automatically after 60 seconds of inactivity, with prompts when the battery is low. Plus, the multifunctional handle doubles as a stress reliever push and pull the booster for a satisfying crackle sound. From professionals to everyday dyers, the JAKEMY 180-in-1 set is the ultimate solution for precision and performance in a portable, sleek design. Number 3. Galacok S6 MAX. The Galacok S6 MAX 5-speed torque precision electric screwdriver set is a must-have for anyone involved in electronics repair or do-it-yourself projects. Designed with precision and portability in mind, this tool delivers outstanding performance in a compact and sleek aluminum alloy case. It features 5 adjustable electric torque levels, starting at 0.1 Newton-meter and going up to 0.5 Newton-meter, with manual torque reaching up to 3.5 Newton-meter. This allows precise control whether you are repairing delicate items like glasses and mobile phones, or handling more demanding tasks like home appliances. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery with a capacity of 500 mAh at 3.7 volts, it charges fully in just 90 minutes and supports over 2,000 screwdrives per charge. The no-load speed of 180 rotations per minute ensures efficient performance. This set includes 42 S2 steel bits in 12 categories, a tweezer, a metal pry bar, and a USB Type-C charging cable. The bits range from 28 mm for everyday repairs to 39 mm for more complex tasks, all securely stored in a magnetic pop-out case. A built-in circular LED light enhances visibility during repairs, and both the chuck and bits are magnetic, making operations smoother and faster. Whether you are fixing a smartphone, a smartwatch, a camera, or a game controller, the Galacok S6 MAX provides the accuracy and reliability you need all in one pocket-sized toolkit. Number 2. ARROWMAX M1 Screwdriver Set. The ARROWMAX M1 electric screwdriver set is a compact, high-performance tool designed for precision work across a wide range of devices, from watches and glasses to drones, laptops, and toy cars. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, the M1 delivers a rotation speed of 200 rotations per minute and features 5 adjustable torque settings. Electric torque ranges from 0.049 Newton-meter to 0.35 Newton-meter, while manual torque reaches up to 3 Newton meter. You can easily switch between electric and manual modes, ensuring uninterrupted work even when the battery runs low. The screwdriver includes body-sensory dual-mode control, allowing you to change direction with a simple wrist motion ideal for working in tight or awkward spaces. Its lightweight, pen-shaped design with a circular arc surface provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods, even for those with arthritic hands. This set includes 60 precision bits made from high-strength S2 steel and features a magnetizer to improve bit magnetism. With 34 multi-purpose bit types, you can disassemble and repair most electronic and household devices. The built-in 500 mAh battery supports up to 900 screw operations per charge. It charges via USB Type-C, but please note it only supports USB-A to USB-C connections, not USB-C power delivery chargers. With its OLED screen, smart features, and powerful performance, the ARROWMAX M1 is a versatile and reliable companion for any repair enthusiast or professional. Number 1. MINIWARE ES15S Motion Control Screwdriver. The MINIWARE ES15S Motion Control Electric Screwdriver is a high-precision tool built for modern electronic repair and home DIY projects. Encased in a durable 304 stainless steel shell with anti-slip engraved patterns, it combines strength, elegance, and practicality in a compact form. At its core is intelligent motion control technology that senses your wrist movement to rotate forward or in reverse. You can switch between smart motion control for quick tasks and directional modes for heavy-duty assembly and disassembly. With 3 adjustable speed levels and 5 torque settings, the ES15S offers full control over performance and precision. The screwdriver is powered by a cordless motor paired with a planetary gear and a 2-way overrunning clutch, delivering stable torque with a maximum of 1.6 kg 4 cm. Its impact function ensures each screw is accurately seated. An anti-stuck feature is specially designed for hexagon screws, preventing bits from locking or jamming. Equipped with a built-in intelligent battery management system, the ES15S ensures safe and long-lasting operation. A large-capacity battery provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous use, and charging is done via direct current 5-volt USB. LED shadowless lighting clearly illuminates your work area, while the OLED display offers real-time feedback and a 30% larger viewing area. It comes with 24 precision S2 steel 4mm hexagon bits, fully compatible with both 4mm and 800 type bit systems. The MINIWARE ES15S is the ultimate screwdriver for precision, power, and smart control. There you have it, 4 outstanding electric screwdrivers, each offering unique strengths for different tasks. Whether you prioritize smart features, torque precision, or all-around versatility, one of these tools is sure to match your repair style. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews.